Attention custodial staff. A nauseous freshman just shared his pancakes all over the third floor corridor. We're talking major spewage, folks! So watch out for... Oh, sorry peeps. This just in. Please remember to sign up to audition for the school musical... Musical Juliet and Romeo by red hot composer named Kelsey Nielsen. Until later, this is Jack Saw at the Velvet Lounge of D-Time.